In the captivating eloquence of Alan Watts, we are invited to ponder a profound concept: the notion that life, with all its tangible intricacies and intangible mysteries, is akin to a dream. A dream so vivid, so engrossing, that we often lose ourselves in its mesmerizing dance, forgetting, if only for a moment, the enigmatic silence from which the spectacle emerges and eventually returns. Watts proposed a tantalizing idea. He suggested that our existence, replete with its joys, sorrows, triumphs, and tribulations, is a melodious composition, a cosmic dance, where we are not mere spectators, but intricate performers. Each of us is both the dancer and the dance, the observer and the observed, the dreamer and the dream. But what does it mean to awaken from this dream of life? It isn't an abrupt jolt from slumber, nor a disorienting emergence into another realm of existence. Instead, it's a gentle unveiling, a serene unfolding where the veils of separation lift and a profound truth is revealed. We begin to see that our identities, our aspirations, our fears are not isolated phenomena, but intricate threads of a larger, grander tapestry that is perpetually woven by the silent hands of the universe. Every thought, every emotion, every pulsation of energy is a note in a celestial symphony that echoes the silent yet resounding music of the cosmos. Alan Watts, with his characteristic eloquence, invites us to a dance of awakening, a dance where the self, not confined by the illusory boundaries of individual identity, expands, unfolds, and merges into the silent expanse of the universe. In this silent expanse, we find our true home, our eternal abode, where noise and silence, movement and stillness, light and darkness are not opposing forces, but harmonious expressions of a single unbroken melody. Yet, how do we embark upon this journey of awakening? How do we navigate the intricate dance of existence, where chaos and order, noise and silence are not just external phenomena, but intrinsic aspects of our being? Watts didn't propose a method, a strategy, or a pathway. Instead, he invited us to an exploration where the destination is not a place, a state, or a realization, but a continuous unfolding, an eternal dance. In this dance, every step is both a journey and a destination. Every note is both a question and an answer. Every silence is both an exploration and a discovery. We are not moving towards awakening. We are perpetually in the process of it. Each moment, each breath, each heartbeat echoing the silent resounding notes of this eternal dance. As we immerse ourselves in the eloquence of Watts's words, as we navigate the silent spaces between his notes, a profound realization dawns upon us. We are not dreaming life. We are life dreaming. In this realization, the boundaries dissolve, the veils lift, and a silent symphony of existence emerges, unbroken, unbound, and eternal. In this silence of this symphony, in the stillness of this dance, we find our awakening. An awakening not from sleep to wakefulness, not from illusion to reality, but from the notion of separation to the realization of unity. We are the silent notes of the cosmic symphony, the ephemeral yet eternal dancers in the unending dance of existence. We awaken not to a new life, but to a new vision. A vision where life is not a journey, but a dance. Not a quest, but a performance. Not an exploration, but an expression. In the eloquent silence of Alan Watts, we find an invitation to awaken from the dream of life and realize that we are the dreamers, the dreamed and the dream itself.